At the Hobby Forge, Alex builds it bold. Geeky dreams in wood and wire. Craft it, make it, watch it unfold. Hobby Forge! Ooh.
Welcome to the Hobby Forge, the only channel where hobbies are forged. Here is your host, Alex. Right, so welcome to Hobby Forge. I'm Alex. Another unboxing. This one's from Highland Gaming Minis. Let's open her up, and see what we have inside. Again, this isn't a sponsored video. This isn't technically a sponsored video. It's an advertisement. It's also a joint advertisement for Highland Gaming Minis because there is a free mini print inside. So essentially, I'm not getting paid cash for this. I get a free mini. I just want to make sure there's nothing hiding in this. Anyway, I'm a big child. Wow. Okay. I got more than one. Cool. Only ordered one mini. This is cool. I'll tell you what this reminds me of in a minute, and I'll show you the free. I've got more than one free mini. So you could say that these are like. If anyone remembers Muscle Men and Monster in My Pocket from the 80s and 90s, will know exactly what I mean with this colour. It's beautiful, little mini. Now obviously these are predators, so I'm guessing these are supposed to be babies. So I got two miniature versions and a bigger version. So you could say it's a matriarch and two patriarchs, or patriarch and two matriarchs. That they're kind of scaled, kind of like a Trask. That's pretty cool. So this is the one I ordered. This is what I ordered. It's really cool. It kind of reminds me a bit of a Thorny Devil. Don't know if you can get that kind of vibe there. And by a Thorny Devil, I mean, so they're basically three versions of the same mini. And I get a oval base. So yeah, I may do it as a Tyrantitech. But yeah, you can see there's a size difference. I'm guessing, it's in case there's any issues with one of them, you can use one of the others. So, yeah. Guys, little advice slip. So this is from Highland Gaming Minis in Scotland. Make sure there's nothing hiding in here. No, nothing in there. I'm a big kid. Please leave a review. And there's a little sticker in there as well. Awesome. I like my stickers. Stickers are good. So that's pretty cool. And there we are. I like the little touches I've got in these last two minis. What was it? The other day I got a free pack of sweets from from Phalanx. from not Phalanx. I know what I mean. And I got a free sticker. Highland Gaming Minis. There's the logo there. So if you go onto Etsy, that's the logo you're looking for. They're based in Scotland, Edinburgh. And I got this little piranha plant. How cool is that? Again, it's very sharp. I'm joking. It's kind of like a hedgehog. When you put your finger across multiple of the spikes, it doesn't hurt. It don't move like a hedgehog, obviously, because then that was just like a bit rubbery. But yeah, little baby piranha plant, which I think is pretty damn cool. I could have kind of like a double. I don't know. I may just have the piranha plant as is. That's pretty cool. More stuff in here. So I'm gonna open this up. I'm not gonna flash it because it's got addresses on. It's just my invoice. Yeah, I ordered 1 mini and I got 3 free minis. The 2 smaller ones and the piranha plant. So I'm going to leave these 2 unpainted. Okay. I may donate one to a local gaming centre because he's building his wrap up, and I just want him to have something, have something nice. They also do a custom making. Yeah, like they do a custom mini making service, which I may take advantage of in the future. That's really cool. Really cool. Thank you guys. That's really awesome. So this will be doing the thing. I may paint one of these up for my good buddy Chris. I'll say I've got a spare mini of this creature. Does he want one? But here's the thing. I'm going to leave this one unpainted. So here's the challenge. If I can get 100 subscribers, I will paint this mini up. Entrance must be from the UK or in an area where I can ship cheap enough. So US, unfortunately, sorry. I'm not going to pay $30 for something this small. Sorry. Maybe when the channel gets bigger, then we can sort something out. But yeah, if you live in the UK or you live in a country where it's cheap enough to ship to, as soon as we hit 100 subscribers on this channel, the winner gets to pick a colour scheme. I will paint him personally. I'll put him on a little stand. And I will sign the bottom of the stand. Just to say it's one of like a free giveaway. So if you really like the look of this monster, this is obviously like defensive weaponry. So this is obviously a predator, but as obviously it's going to be preyed on things bigger than it. Obviously in the Star Wars universe, something bigger than this is going to be something like a Rancor. A Rancor or a Crate Dragon, if you get my drift. Yeah. So, that being said, I will end this unboxing. I say a massive thank you again to Highland Gaming Minis, and this is awesome. And look out for I'll do this separate painting video. Oh dear. Oh jeez Louise. I just made my daughter jump. But yeah, I think this would be really cool for my next campaign. It's going to be a steampunk thing, so if they're going into a jungle area, I might run into one of these things. So, itchy eye, hay fever. Oh man. Hay fever's kicking my butt today, apparently. You can hear my nose is just bugging down. All of a sudden, something's gone up my nose. Oh, there's some pollen's coming through the back door, I think. Oh, dear. I'll have to take a hay fever tablet in a minute. I'm feeling rough. So, remember, if we can get to 100. For as long as I do remember, hold me accountable to this. Anyone who watches this video, hold me accountable for this. As soon as this channel hits 100 subscribers, I will do, as long as you live in the UK or live in a country that is cheap enough to ship to, I will do a competition where I will custom paint this mini and to the specs of the winner, and I'll do my best, my very best to do my best on it, and you get a free mini that I've custom painted. So like I said, this is not a sponsored video. I'm not being paid cash for this, but I have received free minis, which means this is an advertisement for this unboxing. Even though I've paid money for this, I paid £13.79 for this guy, and I got 3 minis. That's awesome. So thank you again to Highland Gaming Minis. I am going to have to take a hay fever tablet and wrap up right here. So thank you so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Catch you in the paint video for this guy. And also keep your eyes open. I've got a mini of HK47 coming. So keep your eyes open for that if you're a Knights of the Old Republic fan. See you then. Peace out.